Hey you, it's Sunjung from Hungry Gopher. Lately, I've been getting tons of emails asking how I'm getting healthier as I'm getting older. Even though many people ask me what I eat and how I eat, I was hesitant because I wasn't ready. While curing my skin flare-ups and dramatically reducing joint and muscle pains and overcoming lupus-like symptoms in 2015, I started sharing my stories. However, I still was hesitant to share my formula. After seeing my mother thriving again, losing her belly fat, reversing pre-diabetic, and dropping all her meds since 2017, I am finally ready. But now, because I have just received so many requests, and because I've been working on healthy eating with flavors for 13 years, I finally decided to spill the gochugaru on my kimchi health formula. I bet you love it. After literally years of working, I'm now putting the finishing touches on my long-awaited kimchi health formula. I love empowering foodies and home cooks with kimchi, and this has been truly a labor of love, and at times felt like remodeling a house. I'm really close to finishing my kimchi health formula, and I could really use your help. Before releasing the formula, I want to be sure I have covered everything, and I would love your input so I don't miss anything important. This will only take 1 minute. Follow the link below this video to answer 3 simple questions. It would be a huge help. Thank you so much for helping me out. Visit hungrygopher.com for more easy, simple recipes and practical health tips. And I have some exciting new live events coming, so stay tuned. Make sure to sign up for my newsletter for the new updates. I'll see you soon. Bye.